Welcome to Datta Biology class. Today our discussion will be on WBC, white blood cells, otherwise known as lymphocytes. White blood cells, the name itself represents that it is white, the blood cells are white. RBCs, the cells are red and these are white. In RBC, the production of RBC is known as erythropoiesis, which we have come earlier. Let me just do a recap. It is from the hemocytoblast or stem cells. Erythrocytes are produced. The first one is known as pro-erythroblast. Then early erythroblast, then late erythroblast, then normoblast, then reticulocytes, and then comes erythrocytes. So these are the precursor cells within the bone marrow. In this way, the RBCs are produced. The production of RBC is known as erythropoiesis. What is known as erythropoiesis? Likewise, the production of lymphocytes is known as lymphopoiesis. The same thing, erythropoiesis and lymphopoiesis. But the process is a little bit different. It is from pro-erythroblast to this, and this will be from some other cells which I am coming right now. I am erasing it right now. So, from the stem cells, I will say myoblast. I will first write here myoblast. Myoblast cells of the stem cells will produce, and then there are 5 varieties of RBC, you know, but how it is produced I am coming. Then pro-myoblast. Pro-myoblast will produce eosinophilic cells, eosinophilic myelocytes. Eosinophilic myelocytes, M-Y-E-L-O. And this will produce basophilic myelocytes. This will produce neutrophilic myelocytes. These are the next stage. And from eosinophilic myelocytes, eosinophil. Eosinophil will be produced. Basophilic, basophil. Neutrophilic, neutrophil. Will be produced. Their cytoplasm is granular. Their cytoplasm is granular, right here, granular. Granular cytoplasm. But there is difference in granules, some minute granule, coarse granule, big granules, that I will come. So they are both these three are having cytoplasm granule. How it is actually this is known as acidophil. Acidophil, basophil, neutrophil. Acidophils when it takes stain with acid dye. Basophil it takes stain with basic dye. Neutrophil remains neutral. So there are three types of dyes. These dyes are applied to a blood. Suppose we have taken a blood, what we used to do, suppose we have taken a blood and put the blood here, put a drop of blood here, and put a slide here. In the laboratory, it is done in that way. Put a slide, it is here. The system is that blood will follow the slide, but slide will not follow the blood. Otherwise, what happens? This WBC, RBC, WBC, platelets, basophil, monophil, whatever it is, that will be crushed. So you cannot examine. So blood will follow the slide. Whenever blood will, it will take. So it meanders here. It takes in this place. And we count WBC, and stain it. We stain it with Leachman green. So they are staining, based on their staining properties, they are named as acidophil, basophil, and neutrophil. But acidophils, that is, the stain, they are stained eosine. Eosine is the name of the stain. So, henceforth the name comes eosinophil, eosinophil, eosinophil. Otherwise, it is known as acidophil, basophil, and neutrophil. Okay, these three. Now, this is the position here. So here are three things: eosinophil, basophil, neutrophil. Like in this, right in this way. Then there comes the myeloid tissue and lymphoid tissue. Here, myeloid tissue and myeloid tissue of the bone marrow of the hemocytoblast, lymphoid tissue of the bone marrow of the hemocytoblast will produce monocytes. And this will produce lymphocytes. I have made this space free to insert something. This is monocytoblast. Monocytoblast. Write this one first, then write monocytoblast. Lymphocytes, lymphocytoblasts. Lymphocytoblast. So in this way, these three, eosinophil, basophil, neutrophil are produced, and monocytes and lymphocytes are produced. There is one more. What is known as, I am taking it here. It's called megakaryocyte. From here, from hemocytoblast or stem cells or the bone marrow, there are megakaryocytes. MEGA, megakaryocytes. ARYOCYTES. Megakaryocytes are there. From megakaryocytes, thrombocytes are produced. So, everything has been done. Now, all the mammals have nucleus in their thrombocyte. all the mammals except human. In human, these thrombocytes are known as platelets. They do not have nucleus. And they are like plate. You like keep a plate in this way, and again another plate in reverse direction here in this way. So there are two plates here. They are platelets. That is biconvex. This. Biconvex, they do not have nucleus in their cytoplasm. These are called these are called platelets, not thrombocytes. But as a matter of practice, we call it thrombocyte. But truly it is known as platelets. This is the formation of what is called WBC, or this is known as lymphopoiesis. Now, these are having granular cytoplasm, and these two, these and those, do not have granular cytoplasm. They are known as agranular. Agranular. Agranular cytoplasm. Are granular, that is non-granular. So granular cytoplasm and granular cytoplasm. Now let me ask you one thing. What do you mean by granulocytosis? Right here, granulocytosis. Agranulo. What is the name, or why it is named as? This is a pathological condition known as granulocytosis. Definitely it will call agranular or something like that. No. This is basic difference is that it is complete absence of granulocytes. Granulocytosis is known because complete absence of eosinophil, basophil and neutrophil. Complete absence of granular cytoplasm containing cells, or complete absence of granulocytes is known as granulocytosis. Not this. Some in examination, you will be puzzled in this way. Why myeloid tissue and lymphoid tissue produces this? Why they are? Because their cytoplasms are this. They are agranular. Then define granulocytosis. Definitely we will write that these are absent. It is not. Or more of this is known as granulocytosis. No, this is because complete absence of these three is known as granulocytosis. I will come in the next chapter.